You're watching Sapphire Shine.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to be playing Don't Press the Button with my sister. Say hi!
Hi! This kind of reminds me of when we played Would You Rather together.
Yeah, but I oofed immediately.
Me too! Whatever.
Hup.
I feel like we won't have enough time to do this. Whoa!
Okay, this is like to get pretty weird.
Yeah.
Come on. Alright. Come on, sister.
You gotta be kidding me!
Come on, sissy.
I'm trying to...
Come on. And yes, I did it!
You've gotta be freaking kidding me.
I did it. I did it.
You realize you have to go back and forth, right?
You did. I knew that, but I was just so happy when winning, sister.
Oh look, it's new.
By the
Find the correct pad. I exploded.
This is Somebody says.
That's just a random NPC new. Can you not make the? Oh frick!
Oh!
Careful!
There was a train!
Oh my god! Can you finish the maze before it disappears?
Okay, come on, let's do this. All right, follow me. Let's hope we could do this.
Nope, it's not this corner.
Maybe it's this one. Come on. We have, I think it's this way. Nope. Nope.
Is it?
Dead end.
Yep. I did it. Yippee!
I'm still running around. Oh, come on. Come on. I told you to follow me, sister.
No.
You little goofball.
Oh, come on. The cake is a lie.
Don't fall in the lava below. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Here we... Careful! Jump!
Jump.
Oh, frick! Careful!
My butt.
You gotta be freaking kidding me.
Yeah, I accidentally pressed menu. Jump! Jump! Uh-huh. Jump! Jump!
Really? At the last second? Where is my stick?
You didn't get one.
Okay, you know what? What?
Ha!
Look at me. Look at me!
Okay. Do you have a gun? What?
Oh, come on.
Ha!
That was really loud. Get onto the platform, quick!
I'm coming! That was a close one!
Okay.
Press the button.
Time to spam click the button. Get ready. 3, 2, 1.
Go! Ah!
Again!
Multi-fingers!
100.
Yeah.
Tsunami!
Run!
Quickly!
Come on! I'm coming! Come on! Come on, sissy! Let's go up here! Up here! Up the ladder!
Quick!
We made it!
Oh my god!
Wow! That was a close one, sis!
Be a one that I like.
Let's...
Don't count on it. Does that mean no or yes?
Press the button.
What the? Why are there doges everywhere?
Those are doge heads! No,
My
no!
goodness! What just got onto my head?
Yeah. Hey,
Quick, get on the platform!
get to the platform, everybody! That person almost made it to the platform. I press the button.
What the?
I press the button.
Get ready for a snowball fight. Let's do a snowball fight against each other.
Okay.
Okay, I did not use the right vocabulary.
Ha! We both died in the fight.
You've got to be kidding me.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna eat my boy good. Do you also want a burger?
Can I have a bite of it?
Psych!
No.
A diamond is in the cave. Collect it before anyone else does.
I go right, you go left. Got it?
I got it, sister.
We need...
Where the freak is it? There it is. Yippee! I got it.
So if I went left all along, I would have got it.
All right, race to the end. Only 3 players can make it.
I'm going. I'm going. What? How was I so slow?
How did I? Let's try that again.
And made it. Come on, sissy.
I'm trying. But it's hard to do it with these stupid obstacles on my way.
Come on, quickly.
You know what? Screw this.
Yeah, she's just raging. Ow!
I throw a pill at you.
Press the button.
A diamond is in the cave.
I'm going the same way as you.
Okay. Oh wait, they got the diamond that quickly? At least there's free diamonds here.
Take a picture.
Get to the white background to be in the picture.
Okay, let's take a picture together. Come on, sissy. Reach forwards and say cheese. Cheese. Look at that nice picture.
Bro, someone covered me.
Hey, don't cover my sissy.
Little.
Hey, why are you holding a gun?
I have no idea. My snow pile. Why is this minigame so laggy? Give me.
Give me that.
Yoink. Yoink.
Yoink. It's so big.
Yoink.
Let's see how big mine is.
Yeah.
Congrats, Sissy. I press the button.
All right.
No covering up.
Someone better not screw anything up.
Yeah, just run to the front.
You can barely see me.
Yeah, I literally got barely seen. Blow a bubble. Blow a bubble.
I'm trying to blow as fast as I can.
I'm flying. I'm flying. Why am I flying?
I forgot that this would be the mini game.
Something's going higher than me.
Oh, come on.
Oh, I pressed the button.
Get ready to play dodgeball. The goal is to eliminate the odds of team. Oh, hey, we're in the same team.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use
Throw!
my gun.
Throw!
I'm gonna use my gun. Oh wait, I forgot it's fake. Get your butt into the outfield. You've got to be kidding me.
Don't worry, I'll help. Come on, team. Yeah.
Good job.
I did it.
Yippee!
I pressed the button.
Okay.
Run!
Run away! Help!
Rosie, good to pretend to me.
Alone! Oh, frick!
Ah!
How did I get it? They were literally far away from me! Try walking the correct path to get to the end. This way? They're really good at uncovering things.
Okay. Okay, walk forwards. Yes.
Let's go this way. This way.
Good.
This way or that way? This way.
I go.
All right.
Yeah.
Yippee!
Yippee! Press the button.
Can you stop doing that? Get ready to fight with laser guns, or I can just use this gun. Oh wait, it's fake. Oh wait, never mind. It just.
I died. Ha! That was karma for shooting me. Heh. Yeah, somebody who looks exactly like that shooting me, and yeah. There's a bomb!
Oh my god! Meteors everywhere!
Run away from the meteors!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I didn't even touch one! What?
I'm just gonna stand still.
You gotta be kidding me. It just exploded all of us! Did you see that?
Huh? Oh, I was busy checking the shop. Oh,
Try
God.
not to get found. It's kind of like hide and seek.
Yeah,
Let's hope nothing scary up here.
yeah, like,
Why am I going here all alone?
oh,
There's a flashlight here.
huh? Where?
No, I'm talking about if there's a flashlight in the
Oh,
shop, which there isn't, I think. Whatever, I'm just gonna walk.
I got found.
You got found? You gotta be kidding me.
Yeah. Found. Yeah.
I gotta escape. I like the Mario music.
Lasers are coming.
Lasers are coming towards you. Get to the safe spots. Okay. All right. Go this way.
Too easy.
Get to this.
here.
Who oofed?
Whoa. Too easy.
Alright. Almost done.
Whoa.
Yippee!
We did it. Press the button.
Alright, this is gonna be the last one.
Finish the obby. Ha. 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 No. I fell. Come on. I need to make it across the obby. I'm going this way. Congrats, sis. Come on. Just a little bit more.
Yippee! I finished the obby and I am proud.
I finished it.
Yippee!
I like the signs above our heads that says, I finished the obby and I am proud.
I think that's gonna be it.
All right, that's it. Bye, everyone.